Hi, my name is Jeffrey Levinson, and I am the Account Manager Lead here at Malili. Today I'm going to talk to you about document preparation and audits for Excel manual markups. The first thing we'll talk through is document preparation. Now there's a few things that you need to know about document preparation. We suggest executing the unhide Excel content mass action on the documents for review prior to actually starting review. If you skip running the mass action, Blackout will still prepare the Excel files when a reviewer places their first markup on a document. The Unhide Excel Content button that may have been in previous versions of Blackout has been removed from the document viewer, as this is now an automatic action that takes place after the first markup is applied. Running this mass action beforehand will help identify document preparation issues prior to review and help avoid reviewers running into any preparation errors. The reason we perform document preparation is so that documents can be safely marked up to prevent historical information from being restored after markups are placed. There are a few different things that document preparation will do. It will replace all calculated fields with their original calculated values. It will replace all pivot tables with their original calculated values as well. It's going to remove the change history from the documents. It will unhide any hidden and very hidden rows, columns, and sheets, and it will unmerge any merged cells. Additionally, this will ensure that data is not lost after content is removed from a document, that all data is visible to reviewers, and that content cannot be restored after markups have been placed on a document. The next thing that I want to talk about is auditing manual markups. There's a few things that you need to know about these audits. First is that only certain manual markup actions will be audited. Secondly, it's important to understand that relativity does not have a concept of manual native markups, and as such, these audits are created and stored in Blackout. Now, let's talk about how to actually access these audits. The first thing that you need to do is log in to Relativity as a system administrator or a user who has access to the Blackout Audits tab. Next, we're going to head up to the Blackout tab and then choose Blackout Audits. Once we are on our audit page, we can simply page through the results for a quick view, or if we'd like to download this and filter it for specific results, we recommend downloading the Audit CSV. Then we can go ahead and open this up in Excel and create different filters where I can filter for my desired information. This has been an overview of document preparation and audits for Excel manual markups. If there's anything else that we can help with, feel free to navigate to support.malili.com or reach out to us at support@malili.com.